Hello, my name is Kevin, and I want to take a moment to personally thank Deepak Sharma. His incredible work. I was faced in a situation when it came to misuse of my name and various defamatory and fake things said about me. And it started appearing on Google, etc., and various social media, and which obviously started affecting my online reputation. Since I worked with Deepak, I would say that everything changed. He went through all the legal documents that were sent. He made sure that it was cross-referenced and made sure that these false statements and false accounts, etc., were taken down. So I have to say, I recommend him completely and utterly when it comes to online reputational management. His dedication, his commitment, and he's truly caring about his clients, and that's very rare these days. And he's someone who's relentless until he gets a result for his clients. So I can't recommend him highly enough. He's amazing, and actually a very decent human being as well. Anyway, I'm sure you will experience a similar great service levels that I have received.